Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we are trying two new pods and one, disposable from Ripple. I have used one and the other one I'm trying here in person for the first time. This one, Bliss, that has kiwi in it, is immediately my new favorite flavor that I've ever had. And it kind of reminds me of the old diffusers, the old vapes that used to be available, and they had like a very rich and sweet flavor that's really distinct. Sometimes it didn't taste exactly like a fruit, sometimes it didn't exactly, it just was nice and sweet in general. This is my new favorite flavor. So Bliss, let's see exactly what's in Bliss. You can look at the back of the box, so I read this. This is kiwi aroma, ashwagandha, and juniper. And here, of course, these are pods, but it also does come in the disposable version. So you get, whichever one you want. And if you don't remember, you have the pod, you put it in here, and then you're set. And then remember the two ways that you can do this. One, and two. And that flavor, and also that scent, it really is sweet. It does have very, very much kiwi notes, and I just like it. I love the box most of all. It's nice, it's bright. It's something that I would think more of summer, and now that we are getting into the colder months, you can kind of maybe remember summer and kind of grip the little bit last bits of summer, or if it's like 30 degrees and freezing and snowing outside, you can just kind of use this and get that kind of summer vibes, that semblance of summer. And I always like that kind of stuff. Like when it is the dead of winter, I like to have margaritas, like a spicy mezcal margarita, just because that reminds me of warmer months. It's just kind of something that I do to remind myself of something like that. So I really, really, really like this one. The kiwi just does it for me. It's just flavorful. I like this so much. But let's move on to the next one. This is Glow. This is elderflower aroma. This is dandelion and ginger. Now I'm kind of curious because sometimes ginger can be a little bit spicy. And let's see if that's the way that they kind of go about this. So we're gonna open one of these pods up. It's really easy. Oh wait, I have another pod over here. Because like when I'm not using this, I like to put the little protector back on the one that I am not using, just to kind of it's there. All right, so we're gonna open one of these up, and ooh, it's sweet again too. Ooh, wait. It's sweet, but for a second, and of course, why not, kind of smelled like ginger ale. That's unique. All right, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna take the little thing off here as well. And ooh. So you know how ginger is spicy sometimes. Now first, this is not spicy ginger. This is not spicy, but it tastes like ginger immediately. I think that's the flavor that stands out the most. I know it says elderflower, dandelion, and ginger. The ginger is immediately what I taste. And oh, it's a little bit weird. So in the scent of it, I smell more floral scents, but when you taste it, that is definitely more of a ginger. Now, moreover, that Bliss is the one for me. That's the one that really, really tastes super sweet kiwi, like real fruit. I like that one so much. It just kind of brightens my day. And it's even now, I think, surpassed my previous favorite, Boost, which is lychee. And that still is good, but it's very tame compared to how sweet that Bliss is. Like even right now, I'm going to put this back here. I'm putting this away. I do like it. Like that ginger is definitely something that, it's almost like peppermint that can kind of wake you up, but that ginger is just like a good solid flavor. And yeah. I think my favorite part about Bliss is that it's just kind of robust. It is a heavy kind of scent. And actually, there is one thing that I have been doing. You know, you can dual wield these things, right? Like if you want to combine two flavors together, if you have a disposable and maybe if you have two of the reusable pod systems, watch. Ooh, that is interesting. That is the sweetness of Bliss with glow. So you can get these flavor combinations. One thing I think would be really, really good is peppermint. Everybody loves peppermint. It kind of has that maybe like very minty, waking up sensation. Peppermint with the lychee power plus boost together. You can just do that. Yeah, that's like a good scent all around. That's my Bliss. That's my glow. And all together, remember, you can do these combinations. If you have two devices, two of these, or two of these, you can kind of get a new flavor combination. This is something that I've been kind of like thinking about, but you can do it. If you have it, you can do it. But I just gotta say, my top flavor is the Bliss. The Bliss, the glow, they do really well together. That color, that packaging, I think it works really, really well. So I would say, give these a try. I think you'd really like it. Bliss is my favorite, and glow with that ginger, it's another kind of sensation to kind of wake you up to. So I'd really say, go for it. Guys, if you have any comments, questions, put everything in the comments section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the product. Any questions, again, down there below. I will see you next time.